Well, it's spitting sleet at me here April 5th, and I'm out filming trailers. This is unit number 11206. It's a Quailridge 39FLML extra tall. It's got an optional metal roof on it, which is a $3,000 upgrade. It's sage siding with tan windows and tan shutters. It looks really nice, and it really sets it apart when you get some tan skirting on this trailer. I'll take a quick walk around because I want you to see how cool this looks. You've got a trapezoid window with 2 lights beside. You've got a 6-foot patio door with an outside light. And then you have a house type rear entry door, also with the light beside it. Extended dormer comes all the way out to the front, so that gives you more light in the trailer. MSRP on this one is a mere $63,000 and some change. Definitely not the most expensive thing out there on the lot, but this is one of my favorite trailers. This is what we would call a new style 40FLML. They opened up the kitchen here and cut back the loft a little bit. This one has Corian countertops, an electric fireplace, undermount stainless sink, pull-out sprayer in the stainless sink. That's electric fireplace. It actually puts out heat. You've got a table and 3 chairs. You've got a bench seat here with storage underneath. You can definitely store things under there. The chairs themselves have a little bit of storage underneath. In a Quailridge, everything in them stays in them. You always get a sleeper sofa. You always get a rocker recliner. You get mini blinds on every window and door. Built-in surround sound comes with from Kelly Hicks Construction. When you have stainless appliances, as this one does, you get a convection microwave. If you've never cooked with the convection, they're kind of fun. They'll do everything an oven will do, sometimes even faster. All drawers in a Quailridge have a full extension ball bearing drawer guide. I haven't been showing people. They also have a built-in wastebasket. 56,000 BTU furnace. There's a view of the loft. Get you lifted up there. Hutch has some LED lighting on it. That's a nice China hutch. You can put a whole bunch of goodies in there. Again, it's got the Corian countertop as well. Plankwood linoleum on the entire main floor. I allow carpet in the master bedroom, loft, and stairs only. Looks a little bit dark in here, so I'll flip the shades. Let some light in. There we go. This has got your signature his and hers wardrobe. 4 drawers, or 8 drawers and 4 doors. Got a closet rod in his and hers wardrobes. Lights in all the closets. Behind the mirror is the electrical panel. It's hinged for easy access. Stays hid and out of the way. Don't forget these full extension ball bearing drawer guides. You can load these drawers up and not break your drawers. The step down into the rear allows the loft to have an extra 14 inches of height. Okay, so the only thing we haven't seen is the loft. So let's go up and have a look at her. People often ask me, what good are lofts? You can't stand up in them. Well, of course you can't, because they're limited to 59.5 inches. They're good for sleeping, they're good for storage, and they're good for pets. Back here is the optional Loft Entertainment Center. That only adds $400 to the price tag of a trailer, and it's a pretty nice deal there. Anyhow, this is one of Quailridge's most popular double lofts. We'll head back on down the stairs, and I'm gonna go film my last trailer for the day and get out of this cold and sleet. I guess we already looked at the bathroom. In case we didn't, I'm gonna go there again. It's got the neo angle shower option, which gives it a huge linen closet, a corner sink, and a corner shower, medicine cabinet, and a vast amount of storage underneath of the sink there. And of course a porcelain stool. Okay. That concludes our tour of the Quailridge 39FLML new style. Again, this thing's optioned up. It's got a $3,000 roof on it. So its MSRP is $63 and some change. If you got any questions, call Kelly Hicks at 815-849-9089 and tell them you want to know more about unit number 11206. The 2016 Quailridge 39FLML. Lovely trailer.